subscribe to my channel to see the latest unboxing videos to your mobile.
So here is our watch. Let's open it. Galaxy Watch, Bluetooth Wi-Fi version and GPS model. The MRP is 29,000 but actual price is in Flipkart Big Billion is 9,000. Let's open it. It is a green color. It's look awesome. It has Gorilla Glass DTX protected and the sensors. Here is a sensor and here is a detachable strap. Okay, here is the buttons, home button and back button and microphone. Here is a speaker. Okay, now let's check what is inside the box content. Let's open it. On the other side, you get the user manual and warranty card. Here is a warranty card. And other side, the charging dock. 5.1 ampere is the outage. You can read it. Okay, here is the box content and let's move the watch. Then let's start the watch. The Samsung logo itself. Now let's quickly pair it. It automatically pop up message. It is secured by Knox security. Here is the startup page of the Galaxy Watch 4. There is a language. You have selected United Kingdom. Okay. Now let's quickly pair in phone. The wearable app will automatically download it from the Play Store. You have to install now. Allow it and it will automatically show the pairing option and it will download a software which is Watch 4 installer. It is necessary to download because you will access the watch faces and other things. It is done. Now follow my step. You can skip it while 1.5x. As it runs with Wear OS, you have to connect with your Gmail ID. Here is the app permission. You can give it auto backup it, and now it's all set. In the app, you can go to the manager and settings, watch settings. Here is a serial number. Now let's go to the watch. Take the tour. On the top, the control panel. At the bottom, the app drawer. At the side, the notifications. You can tap and read it. Okay. At the side, daily activities and other tiles. Here is a back button by home pressing, and that's it. Your watch is ready. The orange button is for the notification, and here is the virtual bezel. Okay, you can hold and long press to change the watch faces like this. I am choosing one of them. Here it is, looking nice. Here is a control panel like Wi-Fi, and the battery is low. Let's charge it. I am using the Samsung adapter, 15 watt, but the watch is 5 watt supported, 5 watt and 1 ampere. Here is a plastic cap. Let's open it, and the watch is ready for the charge. Okay, the full charge it will take 2 hours 15 minutes from 0 to 100%. Okay, here is the adapter. Now it's charging. Now let's quickly see the features of the watches. First of all, the settings. The watch is connected now. Now let's check the tiles. here are the multiple tiles. Okay, you can customize it. Here is the devices, and this is the control panel. You can edit it here. Here is the apps, you can edit here. And this is a Find My Watch. You can hear it now, but make sure it will connect to the Bluetooth. Here is a Spotify. Let's play some music. You can hear it pretty loud. Watch speaker. You can easily get the call and etc. Here is an image, you can store it. Here is your watch spaces, you can change it. Okay, lots of watch spaces are there. Here is a virtual bezel. Okay, tiles. You can. Here is a workout modes. Here is a BMI calculator. Let's quickly see how it works. Here is the results, pretty accurate. Okay, here is a heart rate monitor. Let's quickly show how it works. Good, not bad. It is a stress calculator, and this is your oxygen calculator. Let's have a demo. It's taking a long time. Okay, good, not bad. You can add it your favorite photos in the watch. Okay, I'm not adding. Now let's take a call and let's see the sample of call, how it louds. You can hear it. Maximum volume. Okay, let's cut it. Okay, here is a Play Store. You can directly download the apps from here in the watch. Okay, here is a map. It is necessary to have the mobile data on the phone. You can directly navigate it from here. Okay, and here is a Bluetooth settings. Okay, the app, draw, and that's it. Here is always just display. Okay, here is a Samsung Health app. You have to download extra from the Play Store. Here you can see all the records and data from the watch to the phone. It is automatically syncs. Okay, it is pretty accurate while sync of the data from the mobile. Okay, you have also in the watch the Samsung Health app. You can see directly from the watch. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy my video. Do subscribe my channel. I like my video. The link in the description, or wait for the offer like Big Billion Days. You can buy it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.